So what you need to do is get a table, doesn't need to be anything bigger than this, and raise it up with something. I happen to have these. You could use books or blocks or something to raise up your table. I have a measuring tape. You could use a ruler or use your phone as before and mark off and mark maybe with tape. If you use tape, make sure you use masking tape because it doesn't leave stickies. If you use Scotch tape or duct tape, it will leave stickies on your table and your parents will not be happy with you. You need to get 40 measurements. The 40 measurements are pretty good. You take out your phone, you get your stopwatch, and you need to get 8 measurements. Mine works out really nice. If I go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, that's pretty reasonable. Notice I may also have a systematic error. Ha ha ha. I'm not going to fix it on purpose because you might make the same mistake I am. Hopefully you're smarter than me and you'll find out my systematic error. I'll go from 10, I'll go start, stop. I'll record that. Start, stop. I record that. I'm putting a wall at each end because if it falls off the edge, that's going to be a pain for you every time. So I would tape some little wall on the edge, and you do each one 5 times. You do your maximum 5 times as well, and at the end you have 40 pieces of data in a spreadsheet. That's all you need, and we'll do the rest of the work next class.